Are you packing for a trip? Say goodbye to the chaos. I'm going on vacation in about a month and I already started stressing out about it. Do I know everything that I need to bring? Kind of. Bits and pieces here and there. Every day I think about something else that I had not thought about it before. There's just so much that my anxiety goes through the roof before any trip, just thinking about all the work and everything that I need to pack. This lady is also not very happy about it because she's not coming with me. I also tend to forget things, and I do the have I packed that thing yet? And then I end up having to unpack everything because sometimes, the one thing that you don't know if you packed or not, it's at the very bottom of everything. It drives me crazy. So this time I decided, you know what, I'm going to be efficient. I saw on TikTok a guy who created a packing checklist and I thought, well, this is amazing. Why not? So I created a very, very simple spreadsheet that allows you to select up to 10 different bags and 50 items in each bag. And you check what is in there and it tells you if you're missing anything, and easy. This is going to save me so much time, and this is going to make sure I don't forget anything. So if you want to get organized with me, drop me a comment and I'll tell you where you can get this spreadsheet for free. Sorry babies, you're still not coming with me.